Tired. Hey, how's it going, y'all? It's Jeannie. Are you guys tired of that employee who constantly calls out of work and seems sluggish all the time, dragging their feet with zero productivity? Do you want to attract and retain healthy employees? We know how to get that done. Let our on site fitness center and off site fitness programs energize your company. Our team of certified personal trainers, fitness professionals, and certified nutritionists will work on site and off site for you on hours that suit you. We can do weights, we can do HIIT, we can do cardio, we can do singles or couples training, or the best part about our service is that we come to you. We offer specialized area workout sessions right there in your office. Interested in engaging in a fun and motivating movement activity that also can serve as a team building activity? Let Work It at Work design that compilation of dance, fitness, yoga, and Pilates. Whatever your company's needs, our innovative programs will meet you wherever you are during your busy workday to create situations where everyone can bond. Feel good about you, feel good about work, and work it at work.